protein to combat insomnia. Do you know proteins constitute about half of the body's dry weight? Surprising, isn't it? But it's a fact. Out of all the 5 basic nutrients, protein plays an important role in balancing and the growth of tissues and cells. It builds up muscles, improves the immune system, regulates blood circulation, and synthesizes neurotransmitters. Proteins are neither found in a ready state nor produced by our body. They are absorbed by the body from different food items. Sources of proteins: eggs are the best source of protein for those who believe in a quick and realistic supplement. Non-vegetarians can select a range of food items from meat, beef, and fish. But vegetarians don't lack options either. Nuts, legumes, seeds, and grams are rich sources of protein. Amino acids. Proteins are made up of amino acids that look like small beads joined together to form their structure. To elaborate, the amino acids are joined together to form peptides. The peptides further group up together to form proteins. Altogether, there are 20 different amino acids that unite together to form a protein. Amino acids can be segregated into essential and non-essential amino acids. Out of 20, 11 are non-essential and the remaining 9 are essential. Essential amino acids have to be acquired from your diet, whereas the body takes care of the non-essential ones. Functions supported by proteins. Proteins are not just tissue builders. They perform several other known and unknown functions as well. They build up blocks to produce hormones, enable easy movement of substances inside the body, and handle the enzymes responsible for chemical reactions. The proteins keep fluids and pH balanced and stable. They are also very effective in clotting blood in life-threatening conditions. Several diseases and malfunctions can be avoided by a steady balance of protein in our body. If the diet does not supply enough, there are other ways to get it. Insomnia. Insomnia is a medical condition where a person comes out of the regular sleeping cycle or fails to fall asleep at all. This condition is usually generated due to excess stress, anxiety, too much caffeine, or deficiency of certain proteins. Though one might ignore it at the initial stages, thinking it to be a part of stressful day, insomnia can create many other side effects that can take a toll of your healthy lifestyle and career. Causes of insomnia: stress and anxiety, emotional tensions, too much caffeine, alcohol, or nicotine, overeating, watching disturbing programs on television. Symptoms of insomnia: difficulty falling asleep as soon as you lie down, staying awake for long periods at night, waking up in the middle of night and being unable to go back to sleep, waking up too early in the morning, inability to stay asleep for more than 3 to 4 hours a night, feeling exhausted and tired after waking up in the morning. Long-term effects of insomnia: lack of concentration, irritability, fatigue, memory loss, depression. Combating insomnia using proteins. Insomnia is not an incurable disease. It can be overcome by eating a healthy diet and following a healthy lifestyle. Proper intake of protein is a great way to fight this problem. Food items such as milk, hazelnuts, whole grains, beans, soy products, and eggs, which are rich in protein, stimulate sleep and induce the brain to relax. A balanced diet and rich nutrition form the base of a healthy body. Proteins enable digestion and stimulate instant energy. So it's best to eat a light and nutritious meal before going to sleep. Insomnia in vegetarians can be due to insufficient protein levels in their diet. If they're not careful, they can fail to get enough protein from their everyday diet. It's important for vegetarians to be aware of the food items that contain the essential amino acids, which play a main role in building proteins. The best way to avoid this mess is to visit a dietitian and plan a diet that gives you sufficient protein. While the body takes care of the non-essential amino acids, you're responsible for getting the essential ones. If you are a strict vegetarian and wish to avoid meat and eggs, you can get them from whole grams, grains, soy products, milk, and dairy products. Protein supplements for insomnia. If you're not getting enough protein from your diet, a protein supplement could help. There are a wide variety of protein supplements found in every fitness store, but finding the one that suits you and your diet is a bit difficult. You might want to discuss it with your dietitian or fitness trainer. About ProfectR. ProfectR is the name that stands apart from other protein drinks in effectiveness and usability. It can also be consumed as a complementary therapy for insomnia. ProfectR is also a boon for patients who cannot digest lactose or bear the taste of protein allergens. It can be consumed orally, administered via a feeding tube, or mixed in any food item. A cup of ProfectR at night not only induces sleep but also keeps insomnia at bay. Visit Protica.com to learn more.